Hi guys. Welcome to the channel Logics. Let's rock this logic on getting 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's solve this funny math logic. 1 plus 1 is ideally 2. However, we gonna prove that it's equal to 0. Now, mathematically let us take 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And let's subtract 1 on both the sides. Let's consider only the right-hand side now. Taking square root and a square on the values, we get the following values. Now, inside the square root, let's apply the formula. This formula is something which everyone is aware of. While applying the formula on right side, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 and ab. While applying the formula inside the square root, on the right hand side, we get 2 minus 1 the whole square. Now we get 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 inside the square root by applying the formula. Let's simplify this to 4 minus 4 plus 1. This is by applying the formula. By further simplifying, we get the value 1. This is quite easy to derive, you know. As 1 can also be written as minus 1 the whole square. We can apply this inside the square root. On the right hand side, we can simply cancel the square and the square root. This would get us minus 1. Finally we get to the solution at last. 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. While cancelling the square root and the square. Now, 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. We can cancel the common minus 1 on both the sides. Now by cancelling the common minus 1, we got to the conclusion that 1 plus 1 is equal to 0.
Thanks for watching the logics. We have derived the solution that 1 plus 1 is equal to 0.